They're running in this shouldn't be in a video.
Shouldn't be.
You're recording now?
Yeah.
So, what's up YouTube? Today I want to tell you what's in my bag. The bag that I carry every day is my very trustworthy To Me Harrison bag, which I got in London, and it is one of the best investments I've made. So let's take a look at what's inside and what I carry every day as a founder. And this is here. So the first thing that runs my entire show is my very good M5 MacBook Pro. This is something that I've come to fall in love with. The display, the performance, and 24 GB of RAM, it's beautiful. Like, it's one of the best pieces of toolkit that I can get to do the best work of my life. Then the second most important thing to me is nothing but my Remarkable. Like, this is something that I got in Dubai, and it was an impulse buy, and I invested more after that as well. But every single thought that is in my head stays in this Remarkable. Like, there is no, I try to cleanse my brain to not hold many of my ideas. So this is where it lives. And I always carry a book. So the book that I'm currently reading is The Cold Start Problem. So this is something that I'm absolutely in love with. Andrew, if you're watching it, thank you so much for writing this book. It is very inspiring. The next one I want to show you is my very cheap breakable and the glasses that my kids can play with. It's from Lenskart. It's a blue light blocking glass. I hope it blocks the light. The other thing is, of course, my charger that comes with the MacBook, and I live on the USB-C era. And this is one of my favorite brands. I gift the Kama Ayurveda gift set for everyone that I love, and almost on a yearly basis. And this is the hand cream that comes with it. I absolutely love it. And of course, my music needs are met by AirPods Pro. I tend to have two other headphones as well. One is the Sony 1000 MX, I think. I might be wrong here. And then my very lovely Bowers & Wilkins PX72E. So that is something that I invested along with this To Me bag when we were on the Scotland trip. And it is the best headphones and audio experience that I've ever had. Then my bag also carries something more for some of the impulse payments that we need to make when living in a city like Chennai. So that is a bit of cash. And I'm not a cash person, but this tends to save me in many places, if you know what I mean. And I always carry some alcohol patches, not because I'm into some other things, but it is to clean my Mac and my keyboard. I do not like oil stains on my keyboard, so that's one of the reasons why I carry and protect it with a very thin protector as well that goes on, and then I close the Mac like this. So this makes me feel like I'm using a Mac that is brand new every single day, and I've used this for the past 2-3 years, and it's lovely. The last thing is the Whoosh screen wipe microfiber cloth. So this is the actual cloth that is being used by Apple stores across the world to clean their Macs in the store, and you should actually look at it. It's imported, and I spent quite a bit of money importing it, and I've been with this for the past 3 years, and it's beautiful. And of course, this is my backup. So this is the nib for my Remarkable pen. And every time I don't feel like the pen is performing better or sharper, I just replace it with this. So that's all I carry in a day, and this is my what's in a bag video for you. What do you carry?
Okay, wait, why did you talk about your phone?
This is an investment that I really wish I didn't do, and I got this only a month or two back, and it is the very lovely iPhone Air, but it just heats up like mad that I can actually cook some Maggie or omelette on it, and I hate it. Like, you take 2 pictures and it just heats up, so I tend to use it less, but in emergency situations it is not helping me. And I also carry my very trustworthy original leather Apple MagSafe wallet. This is the first version which came with actual leather, and it has aged well, but I don't feel like this aging is good for me. Like, I feel I should actually maintain it better. So yeah, that's about it.
And what's that highlighter for?
I've always read books in my Kindle, but I retired my Kindle recently and I went back to physical books. This is a cheap highlighter that I got off Blinkit, and I just use it to highlight some of the most important things. Of course, the first highlight in this book is Dubai.